the 2019 Kia Optima. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, blind spot sensor, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.